Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Hold up, you won't believe how good this one actually is. There's a reason everyone's buying this right now. It's reliable, easy to use, and feels like something that should cost way more. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. The feedback from other buyers has been incredible. Hey there, you might want to see this before it's gone. I wasn't sure at first, but after